Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here as we dive into exciting content that inspires creativity and innovation. If you enjoy what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue creating amazing videos for you. Be sure to stick around until the end of this video. You won't want to miss the valuable insights and surprises we have in store. Creating cozy home decor with wooden projects not only enhances your living space, but can also be a lucrative venture. Here's a detailed analysis of various quick and easy wooden project ideas that can transform your home while offering profit potential. Wooden coasters. Wooden coasters are a staple in home decor, providing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. They can be made from various types of wood, such as oak, pine, or cedar, and are often crafted from scrap wood, making them cost-effective. The customization options are vast. Artisans can use techniques like wood burning, painting, or staining to create unique designs. These coasters not only protect surfaces from heat and moisture, but also serve as conversation starters. Selling them in sets allows for a higher perceived value, and they make great gifts for housewarmings or special occasions. The growing trend for eco-friendly products also enhances their marketability as consumers increasingly favor sustainable materials. Floating shelves. Floating shelves are a versatile addition to any home, combining style with practicality. They not only provide storage but also display opportunities for decor items, plants, or books. The simplicity of their design allows for easy construction, often requiring just a few boards and brackets. Reclaimed wood can be used to create a rustic look, appealing to those interested in sustainable home decor. Customization in size, finish, and bracket style can cater to various interior design preferences. These shelves can be marketed as a solution for maximizing vertical space, especially in smaller homes, making them attractive to urban dwellers and minimalists. Rustic picture frames. Rustic picture frames capture the essence of personal memories while adding character to home decor. Crafting these frames from reclaimed wood or pallet wood provides a unique, weathered look that appeals to many consumers. The process of creating frames allows for artistic expression, as artisans can incorporate various styles, from ornate carvings to minimalist designs. Offering frames in different sizes and finishes can attract a diverse customer base, from families wanting to display cherished photos to couples looking for unique wedding gifts. Bundling frames with decorative prints or personalized engravings can further enhance their appeal and profitability. Wooden planters. Wooden planters are an excellent way to bring nature indoors, enhancing the aesthetics of any space. Simple designs such as rectangular boxes or tiered stands can be created with minimal tools. The popularity of houseplants has surged, making wooden planters a desirable item for many consumers. Artisans can differentiate their products by offering customization options, such as size, finish, or engraved designs. Using untreated wood or eco-friendly finishes can appeal to environmentally conscious buyers. Marketing these planters as unique gifts for plant lovers can further boost sales, especially during spring and summer when gardening is in full swing. Decorative wooden signs. Personalized wooden signs have become a popular trend in home decor, allowing consumers to add a touch of individuality to their spaces. These signs can feature family names, inspirational quotes, or unique designs that reflect the homeowner's personality. The crafting process is straightforward and can be done using basic tools and techniques, such as stenciling or wood burning. Customization is key in this market. Offering personalized options allows artisans to charge a premium. These signs can be marketed as perfect gifts for weddings, anniversaries, or housewarming celebrations, tapping into the gift-giving market effectively. Candle holders. Wooden candle holders add warmth and ambience to any home, making them a popular decor item. Simple designs can be crafted from wood blocks, turned pieces, or carved shapes, providing a variety of styles to choose from. The customization potential is vast, allowing for different heights, finishes, and designs to cater to various tastes. Given the rising interest in home fragrance and candle decor, these items are likely to attract consumers looking for stylish ways to enhance their environments. They can be marketed as perfect additions for cozy evenings, dinner parties, or as thoughtful gifts for friends and family. Wooden key holders. Wooden key holders serve a dual purpose. They provide a practical solution for organizing keys while enhancing home decor. Simple designs can include hooks for keys and slots for mail, making them functional for entryways. Crafting these holders from reclaimed or decorative wood adds an artistic element that appeals to buyers. Custom designs allow artisans to cater to different decor styles, whether rustic, modern, or industrial. These items can be marketed as stylish organization solutions for busy households, emphasizing their functionality and aesthetic appeal. Serving trays. Handcrafted wooden serving trays are perfect for entertaining and can be customized to fit various styles. The crafting process is straightforward, often requiring just a few cuts and some sanding. Trays can be made from different types of wood and can include features like handles or decorative edges. These trays not only serve a practical purpose during gatherings, but can also be stylish decor pieces when not in use. Marketing them as ideal gifts for hosts or for special occasions can enhance their appeal, particularly during the holiday season or wedding season when entertaining is at its peak. Wooden toys. Wooden toys have gained popularity due to their sustainability and durability, making them an attractive option for parents. Simple projects such as building blocks, puzzles, or pull-along toys can be crafted with minimal tools and materials. These toys can also serve as decorative pieces in children's rooms, appealing to parents who value aesthetics as well as functionality. The eco-friendly nature of wooden toys resonates with a growing consumer base that prioritizes sustainability. Artisans can market these toys as heirloom-quality products that can be cherished for generations, enhancing their perceived value. Wall art. Creating wooden wall art allows artisans to express their creativity while producing unique decor items. Designs can range from geometric shapes to intricate carvings inspired by nature. The use of reclaimed wood not only reduces costs, but also resonates with environmentally conscious consumers. Artisans can experiment with different finishes, stains, and paints to create artistic pieces that stand out in the market. Selling these items online or at local art fairs can yield good profit margins, as unique wall art is often sought after by homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces. Wooden jewelry displays. For artisans involved in jewelry making, crafting wooden displays serves a dual purpose, showcasing products and enhancing home decor. Simple stands or trays can be made to hold rings, necklaces, or bracelets, providing an elegant way to display jewelry. Customization options, such as personalized engravings or unique shapes, can set these displays apart in the market. Marketing them as both functional and decorative can attract a wide range of customers, especially those looking for unique ways to showcase their collections at home or in retail settings. Rustic storage boxes. Wooden storage boxes are practical items that can add a rustic touch to home organization. These boxes can be designed in various sizes, making them suitable for storing anything from toys to blankets. Crafting them from reclaimed wood or adding decorative finishes can enhance their appeal. Offering personalized options, such as custom engravings or unique handles, can increase their marketability, making them ideal gifts. Marketing these boxes as stylish solutions for decluttering can attract consumers looking to enhance both functionality and aesthetics in their homes. Coat racks. Creating wooden coat racks is a straightforward project that enhances entryways while providing practical storage solutions. Simple designs with hooks for coats, hats, and bags make them functional and stylish. Using reclaimed wood can give these racks a rustic charm that appeals to many buyers. Custom finishes and designs can cater to various decor styles, making them versatile products. Marketing these coat racks as essential organization tools for busy families can increase their appeal, especially during the fall and winter seasons when coats are frequently in use. Plant stands. Wooden plant stands are a popular choice for displaying indoor plants, allowing homeowners to showcase their greenery stylishly. Simple designs can be crafted using easily accessible materials, and the height and size can be adjusted to suit different plant types. Offering various styles, from minimalist to ornate, allows artisans to cater to diverse customer preferences. Marketing these stands as a way to elevate plant displays can resonate with the growing trend of indoor gardening and help artisans tap into a lucrative market. Wooden bookends. Handcrafted wooden bookends are functional decor pieces that enhance any bookshelf or study area. Simple designs can be made from scrap wood, allowing for cost-effective production. Artisans can offer customization options, such as engravings or unique shapes, to attract book lovers seeking stylish ways to organize their collections. Marketing these bookends as perfect gifts for literature enthusiasts or students can further enhance their appeal and sales potential. Seasonal decor. Creating seasonal wooden decor items, such as ornaments or holiday-themed signs, can be a profitable venture. Consumers often seek unique decorations for various holidays, and handcrafted items can stand out in a crowded market. Artisans can create limited edition pieces for each season, encouraging repeat customers who want to update their decor regularly. Marketing these products through social media and local craft fairs can help artisans reach a broader audience looking for distinctive seasonal items. Wooden furniture accents. Smaller furniture accents, such as wooden knobs or handles, provide an easy entry into the furniture market. These items can enhance existing furniture pieces, adding a unique touch that consumers appreciate. Artisans can craft these accents from various types of wood and offer customization options to cater to different styles. Marketing these products as DIY solutions for home improvement can attract a niche audience interested in personalizing their spaces without undertaking extensive renovations. Wooden wine racks. Crafting wooden wine racks appeals to wine enthusiasts looking for stylish storage solutions. Simple designs can be made to accommodate various bottle sizes, and artisans can experiment with different styles, from wall-mounted to freestanding racks. Customization options, such as personalized engravings or unique finishes, can enhance marketability, making these racks attractive additions to home decor. Marketing them as ideal gifts for wine lovers or as essential items for home entertaining can further boost their appeal. Pet accessories. The pet industry continues to grow, and creating wooden accessories for pets can be a lucrative venture. Simple items like feeding stations or toy storage solutions can be crafted with basic woodworking skills. Offering customization options, such as personalized engravings of pet names, can increase their marketability. Marketing these products for their functionality and aesthetic appeal can attract pet owners seeking quality items for their furry companions, tapping into a dedicated consumer base. Marketing strategies. To successfully sell wooden crafts, artisans should consider various sales strategies. Online platforms like Etsy, eBay, or personal websites provide effective marketplaces for reaching a wider audience. Social media marketing can showcase products, share the crafting process, and engage with followers, significantly enhancing visibility and sales. Attending local craft fairs, markets, or exhibitions can also help artisans connect with potential customers and gain valuable feedback on their products. By employing a combination of traditional and digital marketing strategies, artisans can maximize their reach and profitability. In summary, crafting quick and easy wooden projects not only enhances your home decor, but also presents numerous opportunities for profit. By exploring various project ideas and employing effective marketing strategies, artisans can tap into a growing market for unique, handmade items with creativity, dedication, and an understanding of consumer preferences. These wooden crafts can transform living spaces while supporting small businesses. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing and giving us a like. Your support helps us create more great content for you. We appreciate you being part of our community.